Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Magento UI themes for storefront improvements. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin downloading Magento UI themes, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Magento Marketplace URL and press enter. Once the page has loaded, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the theme you are interested in or simply search for UI themes. Browse through the list of available themes. Take note of the details and features of each theme to find the one that suits your needs. After selecting a theme, click on it to open the theme details page. Here, you will find information about pricing, compatibility, and features. Make sure to check the compatibility with your Magento version. If you are satisfied with your choice, proceed by clicking the Add to Cart button. After adding the theme to your cart, navigate to your cart by clicking on the cart icon. Review your selected items to ensure you have the correct theme. If everything looks good, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. You may need to sign in or create a Magento account if you don't have one already. Once signed in, fill out any required payment details to complete your purchase. After the payment has been processed, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will contain a link to download your purchased theme. Click on the download link in your email. The theme files will begin downloading to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Next, log in to your Magento admin panel. From the main dashboard, hover over Content in the left sidebar. Click on Design, then choose Themes. Here, you'll need to upload the downloaded theme. Click on the Add New Theme button at the top right. Fill in the necessary details including the theme name and description. To upload the theme files, click the Upload button and select the zip file you downloaded. Once the upload is complete, click Save. Finally, navigate to Stores, then Configuration. In the click Save Config to apply the changes. Your new Magento UI theme is now installed and ready for storefront improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.